What's going on, guys? Wade here from Wade's Ventures. I am an online seller. I sell on eBay, Amazon, the list goes on, and I'm holding in my hands something that's going to change your world. All right, it's from Scotch, Flex and Seal. This stuff is crazy cool. We're going to do some demonstrations. Let me explain why it's crazy cool. One, I do not need tape anymore. No more boxes. Okay, no more packing supplies. No more putting those three things together and making a recipe to ship to your customers. I literally can use one product for everything now. Now, we're going to do a little demonstration. This stuff comes in 10 foot, 20 foot, and 50 foot and 200 foot rolls right now, guys. And trust me when I'm saying this, it is changing the game. So let's go ahead and do a demonstration here. We are going to go ahead and ship some electronic item with a manual, and we're going to ship a pair of jeans today, and I'm going to show you exactly why this stuff blew my mind when I used it. So stay tuned. All right, so they will come just like this. You roll it out. This is amazing. It's got some really great padding in here, guys. So basically, you take your item. You can use any items you want. You will then put your item down. And what I like to do is just gradually put it over the edge here, just like that, where there's enough room to seal it. And you will then push it down. Now the idea is to match the gray with the gray. That's what sticks together. So you will basically kind of pat it down. And I like to match the gray with gray on the side here. And on this side. So our item is in there right now. And you can pat it down on the sides too. Take your scissors. And voila! There is my package. So guys, the cool thing about this is it's super easy. You guys saw how quick that was. I'm shipping electronic in here and this thing's gonna be perfect. Now once I have it in here, I will slap my label on the top and ship it out. That's easy as that. And look at the strength of this package. Like, it is a fantastic option to ship, and I just can't believe that there is something out there like this. Who thought of this idea? Scotch thought of this idea, and that's a fantastic idea. So let's go ahead and do another one, and I'll show you guys how it is to do jeans or shirts. So basically, you take your pair of jeans, you slap it right there in the middle, and then I will go ahead and roll this out. And so you kind of want to match it to the edge. You can do it like that probably and save some product. So there you go. Match gray with gray. Push it down there. Push it down on the side there. And on the side there. Take your scissors or your box knife. And there you go. Done. Easy as that, guys. It shows really well to the buyer. And it is all sealed up. Guys, run with this product. It is amazing, and it saves me so much time and so much money. So thanks, Scotch, for creating this amazing product for us small businesses. It's crazy cool. Thank you so much.